Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the details of everything beauty-related to help you make the best decisions. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Douxds the Clear Skin Kit, designed specifically for men with oily skin. This trio includes the Flex Pro Vibrating Face Brush, War Charcoal Face Wash, and PRIME Vitamin Face Quench, a powerful skincare regimen aimed at tackling acne, ingrown hairs, dark marks, and wrinkles. So, let's break down what you're getting with this kit. The Flex Pro Vibrating Face Brush uses sonic technology, which promises deep cleansing and exfoliation without the harsh abrasiveness that could irritate your skin. It's got adjustable speed settings, so you can customize your cleanse based on your skin's needs. Next up, the War Charcoal Face Wash. This one leverages activated charcoal to detoxify your pores, clear out dirt, and absorb excess oil, all while keeping your face fresh and clear. Lastly, PRIME Vitamin Face Quench offers intense hydration, using vitamins to brighten your skin and reduce fine lines, leaving a smooth, non-greasy finish. Real-world testing of the Douxds Clear Skin Kit has been an interesting experience. Setting up the Flex Pro Face Brush was straightforward. It's lightweight and easy to handle. The sonic vibrations feel gentle yet effective, and I did notice that my skin felt softer after use. I didn't experience any irritation, which is great considering my skin can be a bit sensitive. Pairing it with the War Charcoal Face Wash felt like a nice, deep cleaning ritual. It lathers well and rinses off easily, leaving my skin feeling truly clean without that tight, dry feeling you sometimes get with harsher cleansers. The PRIME Vitamin Face Quench was a pleasant surprise. It provided just the right amount of moisture without being too heavy or greasy, which is a key factor for oily skin. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the sonic technology in the Flex Brush is effective for deeper exfoliation, and I could really feel my skin get cleaner after each use. The War Charcoal Face Wash does an excellent job of clearing away impurities, which is essential for those dealing with breakouts or excess oil. The PRIME Vitamin Face Quench hydrates beautifully, leaving my face looking brighter without any greasy residue. As for the cons, the Flex Brush could be a bit more durable. It's not a deal breaker, but the plastic feel does make me question its long-term reliability. Also, the War Charcoal Face Wash has a very earthy scent that might not be for everyone. It's quite strong and lingers a little too long for my liking. When it comes to value for money, I think this kit is solid, especially if you're looking for a complete, no-fuss skincare routine. It provides a full month's supply of each product, so you can easily establish a routine and start seeing results. The price is in line with other high-quality skincare kits, but might feel a bit steep if you're only looking for individual products like a face wash or moisturizer. Comparing it to similar skincare kits, what stands out with the Douxds Clear Skin Kit is the inclusion of a sonic face brush, which most other brands don't offer at this price. It's a unique touch that elevates the kit from just a face wash and moisturizer combo to something more comprehensive. However, there are other charcoal-based cleansers and vitamin-enriched moisturizers that might offer similar results at a lower cost without the additional gadget. In terms of build quality, the Flex Pro Vibrating Face Brush is light and comfortable to use, but it does feel like it could be sturdier. I do wonder if it will hold up over the long term, especially considering the price point. As for customer support, I haven't had to reach out, so I can't speak much on that front. However, Douxds has a solid reputation for offering good customer service, so I'd expect a positive experience if the need arises. If you're looking for alternatives, you might want to consider something like the Foreo Luna for the sonic brush if you're willing to invest a bit more for a well-known brand. For a more affordable option, many drugstore charcoal cleansers offer similar purifying benefits without the added cost of the brush. So, my final verdict on the Douxds the Clear Skin Kit. If you're a man with oily skin and you're looking for an all-in-one solution, this kit is definitely worth considering. The products perform well, they're easy to use, and the results are solid. However, if you're not interested in the vibrating face brush or the price tag, there are comparable products out there that might fit your needs better. If you found this review helpful, Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so others who might benefit from this can find it too. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this kit or have any questions about it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay fabulous with Beautyistic.